안녕하세요. 저는 마크입니다. 학생입니다. 저는 7시에 납니다. 네. Alright, so today's like entry 4. Entry 4 in me learning Korean. Um, I learned time today. I learned the number system. Systems. There's two systems, and it's so annoying. There's the Sino number system, or Suji, and how Chinese that's how Chinese numbers work. So like in Japanese, those are based on the same system. So if in Japanese, if you go, Ju-ni, that's 12, or Ni-ju, that's 20. Same thing here. So like E is 2 and unlucky. Ship is 20, so Iship is Ship is 10, so Iship is 20, or Shipi is 12, or Shipil is 11. So that's great. I love that. That's like Japanese, so I understand it. However, there's another system which is Korean based, and I'm not down with it. I find it annoying, especially because there's with the first four. So hana, dol, sat, nup. Depending on where it is, they kind of take parts of it away, and it's like, okay. So yeah, so like that's fine. I can learn one and then the other, but then with time expressions, they use both. They use the Korean system for the hours, which in Japanese you put ji at the end of hours. In Korean you put shi at the end of hours. So like hanshi is 1 o'clock. Doshi is 2 o'clock. Seshi is 3 o'clock. Neshi 4 o'clock. Notice how that's different than hana, dul, sat, nut, net, sat, net. Now I'm still getting used to the Hangul with the double. Yeah, okay, so that's using the Korean system. But then the minutes are using the Chinese-based system. So like, it's the same word in Japanese, or very similar. Pun. So for 1 minute, it's ilpun. 2분, 3분, 4분, 5분, 10분, And so when you're telling the time, like it's 3:18, for example, you say 3시 10, or 3:15, it's 15분. So it's like, why? I'm gonna have to get used to that. I'm used to Japanese. I'm actually terrible with numbers in Japanese. If I were to name my weakest points in Japanese, it would probably be numbers and then, what do you call it? Counters. Oh my god, I hate counters. Counters suck. But, I love Japanese, so like I'm gonna have to just get the hell over it. So yeah, I'm doing good. Just the numbers, oh my god, and that's mainly what I learned today. I reviewed some of my the verbs. So 요리합니다, 공부합니다, to study. 공부, I think it's 공부. Let me double check that. To study. 공부합니다. Yes. 사랑합니다, to love. So, for example, 저는 에리카를 사랑합니다. I love Erica. I'm digging the. I also learned another thing where you put an to negate a sentence. So like, I am not eating. 저는 안 먹습니다. That's it. It's like in Chinese when you add 부. But it's like, because in Japanese it gets a bit crazy when you want to negate something, especially in polite terms. But yeah, and what else I learned? I learned like more words. I'm gonna say some sentences so you guys can correct my pronunciation if you do speak not Mandarin, Korean. So 저는 7시에 저는 7시에 일어납니다. Or I wake up at 7 o'clock. 그리, 그리고, 그리고 아침을 먹습니다. Or そして sorry, I wrote my notes in Japanese, so and then I eat breakfast. And one more. 몇시입니다. 입니까? 몇시입니다. 난지ですか? How do you say what time is it? Is it 몇시입니까? Yeah. The most difficult the most difficult part I'm having with Korean is the sound blending. So when you have a consonant but then you have a no consonant, like the circle thing, and you have to bridge the two sounds, my brain doesn't really function like that. I'm so used to Japanese where every sound is the same thing. Or, sometimes you get yori, yori shimasu. But yeah, if you do speak Korean, let me know how I'm doing. I'm on day about like 5. Yeah, day 5, I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I next do a vlog. Yeah, bye.